We know how important it is to have the right tools to support your child's growth and development at home. We've got a bunch of resources covering popular topics that can help you create a fun and educational environment at home. Just tap the arrows to browse through them. You'll notice some resources have a video icon, while others have a file icon. Videos will guide you step by step on how to use the resource files effectively. Resources with a file icon will not have a video attached, but a preview of the PDF. Found something you like? Tap the email button below the thumbnails to get your resources sent straight to your inbox. Head over to your email inbox and you'll find a message from us. Just tap the download button in the email to get your resource file. You can use these files on a digital device or print them out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content like this.